The whole issue is that people had faith in Parrikar, that's why they gave him a mandate. Now he has done a U-turn. He's become famous for U-turns. These U-turns are there everywhere. In this parking land, you ask Dr. Wilfred Mishkita, whose daughter had moved the petition against this parking land. Ask him whether he is satisfied about it. Tell him to come and defend he is the spokesman of the BJP. Call him to defend the BJP on this parking land issue, on this Daboli land issue. Let him say that BJP has done, the present BJP government has done justice to Goa. I am willing to concede if he is saying this.
Okay, okay. Before we all proceed with the interview, one thing I want you on record,
Yes.
Vijay. My first part of the question,
Yeah.
which all the Goans want to know.
Yeah.
Do you also blame Jose Philip for this? Do you also blame Marvin Goodino for this?
100% I blame them. 100% I blame the Congress. I am saying that the Congress started the scam. I agree with Mr. Manohar Parrikar that it was the Congress which began this parking land scam. But you are supposed to correct it. You are not supposed to seal the deal.
So you are upset because he is not correcting it.
He is not doing anything about it. He became more of a beneficiary. First you took some names. They must have got something to do that.
Some names, you can also name them.
No, you have taken names. Now he is the last name to be the biggest beneficiary because he has sealed the deal. नाजाल्यार कित्याक उलयलो खंय गेलें तूं जेन्ना पार्किंग लँड हाडटलो म्हणल्यार बरें सोडया ती जमीन तुवें ताजे कडेन कितें घेतलें पार्टी फंड घेतला बितला जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना ताका हेल्प करूं सोदता दुसरी जमीन खंयची आहा रे तूं जमीनूच दिना तांकां तूं ते एअरपोर्ट एक्सपान्शन चालू म्हणटा पार्किंग खंय करपाचें तेजे तकलेचेर करपाचें पार्किंग सो हाजे वयल्यान अशें दिसता की ताजो हेतूच आहा की हो दाबोलीचो एअरपोर्ट बंद उडोवपाचो or he is anti-Goan by this stand of his.
Okay, now you are starting a movement called Goinkar.
Yes.
In that you have Churchill with you?
No.
Mickey?
No. I don't need leaders. This is not a political movement. It is a social forum that will take up issues which are in the interest of Goa and Goans. Leaders are there, but leaders become relevant during elections. This is not election time. This is time when you have to fight for the issues of Goans. We have now started this with like-minded people, with activists who are trying to fight for Goa and Goans. And the issue is not only Daboli. There are many other issues. There are issues of Khazan Land Development Board. There is issue of illegal mining that is going on, on which there should be a logical conclusion. There are several issues, democratization of the regional plan, on which also there is a possible U-turn by the government. So many issues. There is an main issue of the priority for Goan youth in employment. Whether the private sector gives priority to Goans or not.
Okay,
or
now
whether Goyanत Goinkar दिसतलो काय ताजेरूच एक शंका जाल्या हो इशू. सो गोंयकारांचे इश्यूज घेवन झगडूपाक हो फोरम केल्लो आहा.
तुझ्या वांगडा कोण आसा तर?
म्हजे बरोबर सगळे गांवचे लोक आहा. चड करून सावथ गोंयचे आतां खूब सगळे आहा. आनी तितलेंच न्ही म्हजे बरोबर मोपांतलो खुद एक संदीप कांबळी म्हणून मनीस आहा who being from Mopa is opposing Mopa. He represents the farmers of Mopa and he believes that Mopa is a land grab operation.
No, that has been a long term
अरे long term तेच ते सगळे झारखंड छत्तीसगड हे जे सगळे शेतकरी बॉब मारतात पळय जे नॅक्झलाइट जातात फायनली तांणी पयलीं तेच म्हणिल्लें आसलें की आमकां डिस्पोसेस करता आनी व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट प्रकल्प हाडटात म्हणून गोंयांतूय हो मोपा म्हणटा तो इज अ एम्बॉडिमेंट ऑफ दीस. दाबोली एअरपोर्ट दर पार्किंग लँड प्रोवायड केलें आनी आतां पॅरलल टॅक्सी वे जी नेवी करता नेवीन जमीन दिल्ली आहा 75 crores मोडटात. हें जर जालें जाल्यार 25 million टन 25 million पॅसेंजर्स हँडलिंग कॅपॅसिटी दाबोली एअरपोर्टाची जाता. म्हणल्यार फुडल्या 25 वर्सांक आमकां खंयचोच एअरपोर्ट गरज ना आनी न्हू. तें करपाक सरकार फाटल्यान कित्याक वता? सरकार जाल्यार कंगाल मरे पयशे नासतना खंयचे मोपा करूंक वता? ग्रीनफिल्ड म्हणटा हायवे कोण बांदतलो? 6 lane हायवेज आय कनेक्टिविटीक ती कोण करतलो? ते पयशे आहा सरकारा कडेन.
योर एसेन्स ऑफ गोंयकार इज गोंयकार इन इट.
व्हेरी मच इन गोंयकार.
आता हे गोंयकाराचे गोंयकार पण फक्त फाटल्या 9 महिन्यानूच लूज जाला.
9 महिन्यान हांव गोंयकार म्हणून एक आमदार जालो पूण आमदार जावचे पयलीं हांव गोंयकार.
ते पयलींच्या गव्हर्नमेंटाचेर तूं कित्याक
पयलींच्या गव्हर्नमेंटाचेर कित्याक उलोवप आतां? आतां सरकार आहा ताचेर उलोवंक जाय मरे. पयलींच्या गव्हर्नमेंटाचेर उलय म्हणल्यार हे बीजेपीचो हांव प्रोपागंडा मशीन जालो.
नॉट नेसेसरी.
थोडे चमचे आहा बीजेपीचे एक्टिविस्टूय आहा जे फक्त पयलींच्या गव्हर्नमेंटाचेर एक्शन घेवची म्हणटात.
तांकां तर माफ केलें पयलींच्या
हांव माफ
government-आन.
करना, पर्रीकारान माफ केले आसतले. तो 9 म्हयने कितें करता, कोणाची केस फायल केल्या ताणें, कितें करता तो, कर म्हळ्यार कितें करपाचें आहा तें. हांव पसून आहा जाल्यार म्हजेरूय कर.
So
ते
basically
फकत पोके
you-
खोबरे मारनाका. तो ताजें अशें जालां आतां, तो कंटिन्युइटी ऑफ गव्हर्नन्स हॅज बिकम कंटिन्युइटी ऑफ करप्शन. जें कितें पयलींच्या गव्हर्नमेंटान रॅकेटां केल्लीं ती बरे भशेन एक बरी तकली वापरून हो गव्हर्नमेंट चालू दवरला.
Parrikar is corrupt.
I am not saying he is corrupt. See that I will give you that much due. I personally do not believe that he is personally corrupt, but his government is corrupt. His party is involved in so many things. You see the smallest thing, that Sunburn organizer said that he had to give passes of 6 crore rupees. He has told me on the telephone. He has told me
To whom?
to the government, to the ministers. 100 कोटी रुपयाचे पास आम्ही ऐकूंकूच ना मरे असले गोंयांत जाताले म्हणून. बरं सनबर्न नाका म्हणटाले ते, साऊथ गोवा हाडटा म्हणटाले. मागीर कित्याक दिले, सिंगल विंडो क्लियरन्स दिलो मरे. सगळे नॉन गोवन्स. पयलीं जेन्ना डान्स जाताले तेन्ना डान्स गोंयकार ऑर्गनायज करतालो. एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री जी टुरिजमाची एक म्हळ्यार इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट म्हणटा टुरिजमाचो एक बरो आर्म, हो आर्म आउटसोर्स केला नॉन गोवन्सांक. गोंयकारांक कांय फायदो ना हातून. आर्क बिशपान आपले भाशणान सांगिल्लें आहा की टुरिजमाचे बेनिफीट सन्स ऑफ द सॉयलाक मेळना म्हणून. म्हाका दिसता हांव टोटल तातूंत आय एम इन एग्रीमेंट विथ दीस. आनी दीस इज एन एम्बॉडीमेंट, दीस इज हॅपनिंग मोर ड्युरींग द परिवर्तन रेजीम.
Okay, back to politics.
Yes.
You have raised this crucial issue of MOPA ahead of Lok Sabha polls.
I had when are the Lok Sabha polls are in 2014. There are 2 years.
अजून बोळ चालू जाला.
जाऊ
वॉर्म अप
बोळ.
एक्सरसाइज चल्ला सगळ्यांचो. So are you trying to make a base for you in Lok Sabha polls?
No,
Ki also I should be considered in South Goa.
I have to be considered. Any political, but I represent a constituency. I've got 10,000 votes, and I didn't get those votes courtesy some politician or some leader. I got the votes because those people are with me, and there is no reason for me to believe that the people have gone away from me. So anybody has to, if he is thinking of 10,000 votes, he has to think of me. But that doesn't. I don't have to do all this to just be considered. There may come a time when people may not consider these guys, the mainstream political parties. We have an MP who, being an MP from South Goa, is espousing the cause of MOPA. So असले मनीस खंय उबे रावंक शकतले, इलेक्शनाक उबे रावंक शकतले.
So basically it is also considered, thought ki
I am telling you one of the reasons why this Goinkar has come up. See, the government of the day has done U-turns, and those are going against the interest of Goa and Goans. Who is supposed to fight this? The principal opposition party, which is the Congress. This principal opposition party has gone underground. बिळान गेल्ले आहा. कोणाचो आवाज काय ना. सो लोकांनी कितें करप? लोकांनी न्हिदप 5 वर्सां. कांय लोकांचो आवाज आयकुपाक जे ओपिनियन पोलाच्या टायमार जालें तेन्नाय बी मेजॉरिटी आसली, पूण लोक रस्त्यार आयले. लोकांनी पयलोच रिफरंडम इंडियेचे इतिहासान करपाक लायलो. ते भशेन आज टायम आयिल्लो आहा जेन्ना मेन ओपोजिशन पार्टी फिक्स जाल्ली आहा, जेन्ना लोकांचो आवाज उठोवपाक कोण मनीस ना, तेन्ना एक फोरम करपाची गरज आहा.
so you are becoming one man opposition.
I do not know whether I am one man, whether people will join me, but I have made a start. And there is no vested interest, there is no political interest. This is not a political forum, it is just a social forum to take up issues of Goa.
How is your links with Churchill right now? How is your relations with Churchill?
Relationships in politics keep changing. After I was denied the Congress ticket, Congress politicians cannot take the credit to say that they are close to me, because they have done injustice to me, which I am aware and my voters are aware. So after the assembly elections, naturally the Congress has got away from me.
No, but Churchill has made a statement कि तू दिगंबर कामत were responsible for his defeat.
Churchill's statement, Churchill has to justify. I have nothing to say about Churchill's statement. I can very clearly tell you that they as a Congress tried to defeat me and they failed. And if we could defeat him, then he's giving us credit.
They tried to
that he's
defeat
making us
by
leaders.
They tried to defeat by fielding a very weak candidate.
No, the weak candidate was fixed in collusion with the BJP. The BJP wanted that candidate. I could have been their candidate and I could have won. The whole world knew that I could have won. Now the BJP says that ना तुका काँग्रेस ticket मिळी ना म्हणून तू जिंकलो म्हणून. म्हणजे म्हजेर कितें फावोर केलो? BJP फावोर केलो?
What will be your stand for Lok Sabha polls?
Now my stand for Lok Sabha polls will be, I will have to see the options available. But it is long time ahead.
You are also floating in option, third front.
I am not floating an option at the moment. I will see what are the options. We will see how the people react to this. See, let me be very clear. The opposition has failed. The ruling has let us down. I feel there is a scope for somebody to be the voice of Goa and Goans. Now whether this voice is a political voice or whether this voice is a social voice is the moot point now. We have declared ourselves as a social forum. So we have no political ambitions. I am an MLA. I don't want to become an MP. At the moment, there is no reason for me to want to become an MP. But we will be very much involved in issues concerning Goa and Goans. So wherever the major politicians have failed Goans, we will step in and we will have democratically ensure that the voice of the people is heard in the corridors of power.
Okay, last question. Vijay Sardesai is upset because the person who is not in power in Fatorda, Damu Naik, is calling the shots, and Vijay being in power, cannot do any job. That's why he has got close to PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawadekar and gets his work done. And that's why he is upset with Parrikar, and that's why he is raising all these issues, against Parrikar.
See, you tell me, this government which has no money for development, what development has it done other than continuing with the old schemes and old money that was brought? See, the present government does not have money for development is not what I am saying. This is being said by Mr. Miki Pasheko for the Zilla Parishad meeting that day. In the presence of Mr. Parsekar, he said that a government which takes loans to pay the salaries of its employees, what will this government give to the Zilla Parishad and what powers will it give? This is the statement of a leader of a party which supports this government. So I don't want to speak more on this. So this government is first of all bankrupt, cannot do much, and in that you say that the defeated person is doing work. What work can he do without money?
So basically there is no development.
Where there is development, there is no development anywhere in Goa. The entire administration has come to a standstill. Only thing that is active is the mouth of the Chief Minister.
Okay,
it is very active. It is very active, and he is continuously giving new dates. He is continuously twisting the truth very efficiently because he is good at it. And that's it. There is no money, and I can understand his predicament because so many U-turns to handle so many U-turns is not very easy. But I believe that in the course of this intelligent, witty replies of his, he has forgotten the interest of Goa and Goans.
Okay, with this we'll end our interview. This was Vijay Sardesai. He says that he believes that Parrikar government is corrupt, but Parrikar himself is not corrupt. He feels that Goinkar, the forum which they are going to launch now, is a social forum which will voice issues of the people. They will also take up issues besides MOPA. They will also take up various issues including illegal mining. He also has not named few of the Congress politicians, but he agrees that politicians like Jose Philip was responsible for this denotification of the land and also was partially responsible for the current mess that Parrikar government continues. Thanks a lot for coming here. With this we end our interview. Keep watching Counterpoint every Monday at 7:30. It's an interview series. It's an interview of your own. Keep watching Prudent.